Influence paid video survey app pays you $1 per task you completed, that is, by sharing your opinion through video survey. And what I like about this app is immediately you submit your record, within 1 minute to 2 minutes, they are going to approve it and the points will reflect to your dashboard. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing my own personal experience and also show you how you can create your account and start earning. This video is for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor or guarantee you any earnings. So what you earn here depends on your consistency. And don't forget to do your own research before investing or joining any platform. Now, let's watch the full video. So I'll be explaining what influence is all about. Influence by Voxpopme is a mobile app that pays people to record short video answers to surveys questions from brands and market researchers. So instead of you answering only multiple choices of questions, you are to speak to your phone's camera and share your own personal opinions, and they will pay you. Between 1 minute to 2 minutes, they are going to approve your response and your money will reflect to your dashboard. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be walking you guys through on how you're going to create your account and start earning. So if you are new to my channel, I am Treasure. What I share on this my channel is all about app tutorials and earning apps where you can earn just by taking simple surveys or answering simple questions to earn with no investment required. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell icon for you not to miss my next videos. Okay, so this is how you are going to create your account before you start performing surveys. I'll be leaving the link below in the comment section of this video. So when you click on it, this is exactly how the interface will look like. Now this is how you are going to create your account. Click on, if you already have an account, then you click on sign in and log in to your account. But if you have not, just click on start earning here.
I have a couple of survey apps.
You click on continue. Now you are going to fill in your information. You are going to put your first name here. You can put your Nigerian name here and your last name here. So let me just use this name. Let me use this let me use Treasure here. Then last name, let me use this. So you can decide to use UK name or anything you like. Just put your name, your first name and your last name here. Understand? So you can decide to put your real name. Now you are going to put the date of birth here, the date, the month and the year. And don't forget to, the year should be from 1999 and above. Understand? Let it not be below 18. No. So because they are going to match you with your demographics. So click on date and choose any random date here you can remember in case if they ask you. So I'm going to choose this and choose let me choose 99 here. Now you click on enable location, then you click on, but before you start, you are going to connect your VPN or proxy because this particular app is not available in Nigeria. Okay, so it is only available for United Kingdom, United States, Australia and Canada. So if you are from Nigeria, you cannot be able to download this app or even create an account. So for you to have access to this app, you are going to be using VPN or proxy. Okay, so my proxy is on, sorry, my VPN. Then you click on continue here. So you are going to type in the email you want to use. So let me use this name, this email address. Okay, then you put your password, strong password you can remember. So let me put my password here. Okay, Then you click on agree with terms and condition and click on continue. They are going to send you message to this email. Understand? You now go there and click. So they say they send message to this email. Now I'm going to go back to my email and say, okay, they just send message. Just click on it like this. Click on it. Okay. Then you are going to tap on verify my email. Click on it. It is going to redirect you to the app. Click on verify my email and hold on. So as you can see, email is verified. Then click on done. Allow it to load though. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to fill in your what? Your profile. That is the main thing. So for you to fill in your profile, just click on answer some questions, or you click on complete profile ladder. When you click on complete profile, this is your relationship status. Either you choose you are single or married, but I will advise you to be choosing married. But for me, let me choose married. Okay. Then occupation, I will be choosing okay, let me choose senior manager. Then residential status, I will choose property owner. You are going to choose the one that is suitable to you, right? Then this one is household income. This should be household income before tax. So I'm going to be choosing this 50 to 74. Don't forget this because they are going to ask you this again. Then your ethnicity, remember you are using VPN or proxy, choose white. So if you are from American, you should be choosing this. You should be choosing either mixed or multiple ethnic group, or you should know your ethnic group. So I'm going to be choosing white here and click on save here. So for you to check if your profile is complete, just click on settings because your profile should be 100% before you can start taking survey. Click on settings and click on profile here. Okay, so it is 100%, but let me confirm. Just scroll down. This place that says number of children, click on this arrow and pick the number of children. Me, I will be choosing 2. I'm not married, but I will be choosing 2. You understand? So you choose and check if everything is correct. Then you hit on update here. Good. Then you can now come back, click on this arrow and click on survey and come back here. Then we are going to click on answer some questions. We have got 6 surveys waiting for you. Just click on it like this way. There is no available task currently. As you can see, this survey is not accepting additional responses at this time. The slot is full. So this is what you do. Whenever you receive tasks here, just click on it immediately. When you click on it, they are going to redirect you where they are going to ask you question. Then you are going to record yourself answering that question. When you read it, you understand what they ask you. Assuming they will drop survey now, I will just do it and show you guys how to complete it. So they are going to give you some questions. You are going to read it, understand what they ask you, then you click on start recording. When you click on start recording, you will now answer the question that they ask you. Record yourself. So it is very important to be checking your account at least every 30 minutes to know if there is available survey. Like this one you are seeing that say we have 6 surveys waiting for you. It is filled up. When you click on it, they will tell you they don't need any additional answers to tell you that it is filled up. Like they have gotten some participants they need. You understand? So that is how to do it. All you have to do is to read the instruction. Maybe they will ask you, do you like shopping online, or do you like what do you like buying, and how is your shopping experience this week, or what type of food are you giving your pet, or how many children do you have. Just read what they ask you and click on start recording. Before you click on start recording, make sure that you read and understand the question, then you click on start recording and you will be talking. You explain what they ask you. Maybe they'll ask you, how do you find inference, or explain what you know about inference. Once you understand the question, you are going to click on start recording and provide your own experience or opinion and click on submit. But for you not to miss any available task that matches your profile, all you have to do is to be checking your app at least every 30 minutes. You log in and check if there is any available task, because if you do not complete it immediately, it will be filled up, and when you click on it, they will now be telling you they don't need any other response for now. Okay, so that is just it. That is how it works. Okay, so whenever there is available task, all you have to do is just to click on it. It will show open survey. You will click on it. They will ask you some short surveys. When you answer it and submit, they are going to provide the video survey for you, and you are going to click on it and read what they ask you and submit your response, which does not even take up to 16 seconds. Just the minimum is just 15 seconds to 16 seconds. You are done giving your own opinion and you click on submit. Let it not be below 15 seconds, or let it not be above 16 seconds. It should be 15 to 60 seconds ladder. Okay, so that they can approve it, and make sure that your background is clear, they can see you clearly while you are talking. Okay, so then you submit it. So before 2 minutes to 3 minutes, they are going to approve it and it will reflect here to your balance. It doesn't take time. So let me show you the account I created before I start recording this video. So I don't know why I don't get tasks from this particular account. So let me log into the account and show you. I think I've gotten £2 there in not just less than 1 minute too. So let me log in to that account. Let me put my email that I used to sign up there and the password here. Okay, the password. So continue. So this is the account I created before I start recording this video. As you can see, I have £2 here, and this is where you find your history. When you click on history here, okay, you are going to find the tasks you have completed. As you can see, all this thing is just, this one is where did you hear about influence, tell us about your shopping habits. So, and this last one now is rejected because of what I'm going to show you, so that you will not make the same mistake. As you can see, they say when you look at the claim on breed specific pet food packaging, which one feel most meaningful and why? So it is rejected because, come and read the instruction or the feedback. They say, unfortunately, we could not accept your response this time. We noticed that your face was not clearly visible. So that is what made this particular survey rejected. So there is no answer that you provide here that are going to reject it. All you need is, because my background is very dark then, you understand? So that is why they reject it. As you can see, that is the feedback. For all these ones is approved. Make sure when you are recording, your background is bright. If it is in the night, make sure you have light before you click on start recording and submit the record. Okay, because if you do it in darkness, they are going to reject it like this one now. Are you seeing it? They're going to reject it. Understand? So that is how it is. There is no wrong answer here. Any answer you provide, they will accept it. All you need is speak loud and make your camera clear so that they can be see you talking. You understand? So that is all you have to know about this Friends app. So is this Friends app legit or just another scam platform? I never withdraw from this particular app, but from my own experience and from my own investigation, this particular Friends Voxpopme is confirmed legit and currently paying who are able to meet up with their withdrawal requirement of $10 or £10 depending on the account you set, either UK or US or Canada or Australian, anyone you are using. Okay, so if you want to create your own account, if you are not from UK, Canada, Australian, if you are not from this country, just make sure you are using VPN. As I'm recording this video, I'm using VPN. Make sure you are using VPN or proxy. And before you can access this app, it's not only by using VPN or proxy. There are some settings you are going to do before this app can actually download from your phone, or before you can even create your account, because they will ask you to turn on your location. So you are going to do some settings before you can able to create your account. So if you know how you can turn on your location or change your location to UK or United Kingdom, depending on the one you want to create, then you go ahead and do that. But if you don't know how to do it, just drop in the comment section that I should do second video about how to change your phone location to either UK, United Kingdom or any country of your choice. You can also invite your friends. When you click on friends here, you are going to copy your referral link and send to your friends. Okay, so that will be the end of today's video, and don't forget that I'll be leaving this link in the comment section of this video. So when you click on it, you are going to be using to sign up, and I'm also going to be leaving my Telegram link there. You can also join us for more updates. Okay, so if you have watched this video to this end, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell icon so that you don't miss my next videos. Thank you everyone for watching. See you guys in my next one.